Hey everyone, this is Sugar Coater. Happy New Year! I hope that you are enjoying 2020 so far. In this video, I made Peppermint Pistachio Biscotti and it was my first time making it. They taste so delicious and I hope that you will give this recipe a try. To make them, I added the wet ingredients in a bowl first and mixed them well. Then I added the dry ingredients. Once all of the ingredients were mixed well, I put it on top of a parchment paper and dusted the top with powdered sugar to prevent it from sticking onto the parchment paper. I shaped the dough into a long log and then placed it on a cookie sheet. Afterwards, I baked it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes and then let it cool for about 15 minutes before cutting it into pieces. Then I placed the pieces back onto the cookie sheet and baked it for another 12 minutes. Once the biscottis cooled completely, I covered the top with royal icing and crushed peppermint candy. So have you tried biscotti before? If so, how do you eat them? Anyways, I hope that you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.